Because microfiber furniture is prone to water stains, it must be cleaned a certain way. Let's go over some of the ways to keep your couch looking its best. First, determine what type of microfiber you have. Check the furniture tag for a specific letter code, which indicates the type of product you should use on your specific couch. Since microfiber is polyester-based, most couches will have an S code, so if your couch doesn't have a tag, that's a good place to start. Now it's time to get cleaning. For couches with an S code, an SW code, or no tag, use a solvent like rubbing alcohol. Pour the rubbing alcohol into a spray bottle, then spray the stains. Lift the stains out by blotting or gently rubbing them with a cloth. If your couch has a W code, rub it gently with a cloth and soap suds, and avoid soaking the cloth in water. Then, blot your couch with a dry cloth. The fabric might feel stiff after you clean it. Use a soft, dry, nylon bristled scrub brush to gently rub the fabric, which will fluff up the fibers and soften the fabric. Follow these simple tips to treat your microfiber couch. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.